my name is Kapil Rawat. I am not here to give a lecture. Alright, so please be prepared not to get bored. I am not here to teach you anything. I am here just to share some experiences. हमारा ऐसा मानना है कि अगर आप इन experiences को अभी सुनोगे तो आपका फायदा होगा. I am not a teacher, so I do not know how to manage noise and sound and everything. So the only thing which will happen is that if anybody is talking, I will not talk. Alright, so if you guys want me to talk, you'll all have to be completely silent. Can you do that? Yes, very good. The other thing is, whatever I'll tell you, alright, don't believe anything. Don't believe anything simply because I have more grey hair than you. ठीक है? Believe it if it makes sense to you. If it doesn't make sense to you, just forget about it. सोचना कोई आया था, बड़बड़ करके चला गया, ठीक है? It's not relevant. Can you do that? Alright? So don't be forced to believe anything I say. Okay, perfect. So we're going to start this session with a small exercise. आपको ये सोचना है, आपके सामने भगवान है, and he will give you whatever you want. इतना सोच सकते हैं? ठीक है? There are three possibilities. There are three possibilities you need to select from. Alright? It has to be one of those three. Okay? तो जब मैं बोलूंगा possibilities, तो सबको हाथ खड़े करने हैं. Can you do that much? Alright? You are all in class 10th, correct? Okay, good. So imagine कि class 10th के बोर्ड के एग्जाम हो चुके हैं, and no matter आपने कितने अच्छे या बुरे किए हैं, alright? God is standing in front of you and saying, जो बोलोगे मैं दे दूंगा. Who would you want to be? How many Kartiks in the room? Mahesh? How many Suresh? So class 10th हो गई, alright? Almost everybody wants to be a Suresh. Okay, class 10th हो गई. 10th के बाद क्या आता है? 11th के बाद 12th. Alright, so now these guys are in class 12th, and this is how much they score. How many Kartiks in the room? How many Mahesh? And how many people want to be Suresh? Very good. Alright. Now there is a small guess you need to make. ये तीन बच्चों में से एक बच्चा जो है वो टॉप कॉलेज में जाएगा. Alright. One kid will go to a top college, one will go to a mediocre college, and one will go to a really, really bad college. Alright. Can anybody guess who will go to the top college? We will see. Alright. The only thing you need to remember is, we'll see in a moment. The only thing you need to remember is, don't think about your streams. ये मत सोचो कि मैं तो कॉमर्स लूंगा या मैं आर्ट्स लूंगा. Just think of a top college, medium college, bad college, and you have to just make a choice. All right? कर सकते हैं इतना? Good. So this is where these people land up. How many people want to be Kartiks? Mahesh? You all understand BSc Delhi University, yeah? How many people want to be Suresh? Very good. Everybody wants to be Suresh. Fantastic. After you do graduation, you typically do a post-graduation. So all these three people will now go for a post-graduation. Again, one will go to a top college, one will go to a mediocre college, and one will go to a not so good college. Who do you think will go to the top college? Mediocre college? Bad college? Alright? And as usual, you don't have to go by your streams. Don't think about your streams. Just say, do I want to go to a top college, mediocre college, or a bad college? Alright? How many Kartiks in the room? Mahesh? Suresh? Very good. Alright, what's the point of all these studies? What's the point of 10, 12, graduation, post-graduation? Eventually you want to work. Correct? Eventually you want to work or start your own business or do whatever. Correct? Alright. So all these three kids are now 28 years of age and they are all working. Alright. Who do you think would be having the best job? The second best job? The third best job? Okay. How many people want to be Kartiks now? Everybody understands what it is saying? Suresh is an assistant vice president in a bank in Chennai. Mahesh is a manager in a company in Delhi. And Kartik is a vice president in a bank in London. So how many people want to be Kartiks? How many Suresh? Mahesh? And those who raise their hands for Suresh and Mahesh, let me tell you their salaries. And let me ask you the question again. How many Kartiks in the room? Mahesh? Suresh? Good. Alright. So, before I go ahead, let me tell you something. This is not an imaginary story. Alright. This is class 10th of 1994 of a school in Lucknow called City Montessori School. You're from City Montessori School, man. Fantastic. Alright, so this is from a real school, a real class. Alright, the guy named Suresh actually did those things and landed up there. The guy called Mahesh actually did those things and landed up there. And the guy called Karthik is actually Kapil Rawat, and I am that guy. As I said, I'm not here to give you a lecture. Alright, I'm just here to share some experiences. Now, everybody saw that everybody wanted to be a Suresh or a Mahesh. Finally, everybody wants to be Karthik. Now, we do understand that it's a bigger salary, bigger job, so everybody wants to be Karthik. But ho kya raha hai? What is going on? Can somebody tell me what is going on? It's written on the board, by the way. थोड़ा दिमाग ला के सोचो, क्या हो रहा है? Somebody wants to try? What's going on? Yes, Peter. That we can see, but what's the reason? Yes. No, it's written on the board. That's what I'm saying. It's written. Look for things which are written. Please go ahead. Yeah. Good. So you are close. Let me give you a hint to all the everyone else. All right. अगर आपको दिल्ली जाना है, all right, you go to the bus stand. Which bus will you catch? The bus which goes to? If you catch a bus which goes to Mumbai, where will you reach? You will not reach Delhi. Where is Suresh working? In a bank. Where is Karthik working? In a bank. What do you think happens in a bank? Commerce, economics, finance. How is 4 years of mechanical engineering at IIT Delhi going to make Suresh a better banker? Would it? तो अगर आपने दिल्ली जाना है और बॉम्बे की बस पकड़ोगे तो दिल्ली तो नहीं पहुंचोगे ना. Everybody understands what's going on? So now I'm going to tell you 3 things. Alright, just 3 things. Okay, again as I said, अगर ठीक लगे तो अपने पास रखना, नहीं लगे तो निकाल के फेंक देना. बोर तो नहीं हो रहे? Good. Alright, first thing, you're all in class 10th. When I was in class 10th, okay, what do you think my father used to tell me every time he saw me? And I'm sure it's the same thing your fathers are telling you. हाँ? बोर्ड का इम्तिहान है, दोबारा नहीं होगा, 90% नंबर लाओ, correct? What do you think my mom used to tell me? Same thing. मामा जी, मौसा जी, दादा जी, दादी जी, नाना जी, नानी जी, everybody, the whole Brahman, the whole universe, the whole Akash Ganga was telling Kapil Rawat पढ़ाई करो, बोर्ड का इम्तिहान है, दोबारा नहीं होगा. आप लोग के साथ होता है? सबके साथ होता है? Right? Now let me tell you the funny part. I did class 10th in 1994. Can somebody tell me how many years have passed? 23 years. Alright? I swear in front of you, I swear to God, to all of you, nobody has ever asked me how much did I get in class 10th. Ever. ना किसी एग्जाम में ये जरूर लिखा था कि 10th में इतने परसेंट होने चाहिए, but that percent was usually very less, 50 or 55 or 60. But nobody in any interview, any job has ever asked me कि तुम्हारे 10th में नंबर कितने आए. अब मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आता कि जो पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को इतना प्रेशराइज करते हैं, जो मुझे प्रेशराइज किया, उसका रीजन क्या है? अगर 10th के मार्क्स इतने जरूरी होते हैं तो सबको मेरे को पूछना चाहिए ना. एवरी मॉर्निंग somebody should ask me, तुम्हारे 10th में नंबर कितने आए थे? Nobody asked me. So the first message which I want to give you is that your class 10th and 12th marks won't matter. What will matter? What will matter? Which bus you catch. Alright? If you catch the wrong bus, no matter what your marks are, you'll end up at the wrong place. And even if your marks are less, and you catch the right bus, you will end up at the right place. Alright? Now don't get me wrong. When the whole Brahman was telling me to work hard, I worked really, really hard. I used to get up at 3 in the night and study every day, every single day. But बहुत मेहनत करने के बावजूद, I could only get 79. And Suresh, who was a super smart kid, he could study only half an hour every day and he could get 96. I could not. There is a capacity of an individual. So what I'm telling you is, work hard for your marks, but don't take them to heart. Because your success will not depend on how much marks you got. Your success will depend on which bus you catch. Alright? Got the first message? Yeah? Loud and clear? Fantastic. So that's the first message. Now, Suresh and Mahesh always believe, alright, and I used to also, when I was in class 10th, I used to believe that success is equal to good marks. You get good marks, you're successful. But in reality, which I think now, is that success depends on your planning. If you have planned it well, then chances are that you would be successful. And planning is which bus you catch. That's all about planning. Alright. Now the second message. Alright. This again is something which, raise your hand if it has never happened to you. If it has never happened to you, you need to raise your hand. आपको किसी ने आके जरूर बोला होगा, बेटा IIT नहीं है ना, अच्छे इंजीनियर नहीं बनोगे. एम्स नहीं है, अच्छे डॉक्टर नहीं बनोगे. IIM नहीं है, अच्छे मैनेजर नहीं बनोगे. बोला है? आपको नहीं बोला किसी ने? जल्दी बोलेंगे. Alright? So, you will eventually hear this. Alright? In India, there is a thing called pedigree. Pedigree is what? Which college you go to. Which college you go to becomes really, really important. How many of you think that ये सही है? The statement कि IIT नहीं गए तो अच्छे इंजीनियर नहीं बनोगे. How many of you think this statement is correct? Nobody thinks this statement is correct? Why?
It doesn't matter on the college. It depends on the planning and what you want.
करेक्ट, गुड. तो बस तो हमने पकड़ ली, ठीक है. अब बस पकड़ के कौन सी बस पकड़ी है? वोल्वो पकड़ी है कि हमने वो सेकंड एसी पकड़ी है या सरकारी बस पकड़ी है? नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. ऑलराइट, सेट. ऑलराइट. नाउ फॉर श्योर दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. ऑलराइट, बिकॉज यू डोंट सी एनी पेडिग्री इन माय प्रोफाइल एट लीस्ट. देयर इज नो IIT, no IIM. Nobody even talks about BCom in Lucknow University. Nobody boasts about it. Alright, and JNU where you always get bad press. You don't even get good press about JNU. Alright, but I went to those places and I ended up relatively successful. So, pedigree does not matter. But people will tell you that pedigree matters. So how can you refute them? Do you want to learn how to refute them? Do you want to learn to prove that pedigree does not matter? Who wants to learn? Raise your hands. Okay, good. Beta, you get up. Yep, get up. Alright, so imagine you are my mother. Alright, and you tell me कि बेटा IIT नहीं गए अच्छे इंजीनियर नहीं बनोगे. Tell me. अरे ऐसे नहीं यार, मदर की तरह गुस्से में. Try again. Okay, मम्मी आप कभी बीमार पड़ी हो? आपको बुखार आया था? आप डॉक्टर के पास गए थे? आपने पूछा था कि डॉक्टर एम्स का है कि नहीं है? आपको तो पड़ोस वाली आंटी बोलती है वो डॉक्टर बड़ा अच्छा है, आप चले जाते हो. उनसे क्यों नहीं पूछते? आप तो ये भी नहीं देखते कि वो MBBS है कि नहीं है. The best doctor in Dehradun is not from AIIMS. The best engineer is not from IIT. The guy who was the longest serving DM in Dehradun, Mr. Purushottam, he was a veterinary doctor. The person who runs the biggest company in Dehradun is not from IIM. So where is the pedigree? If pedigree is so important, then all the top guys should be from top colleges. Yes or no? But they are not. When you as an individual, आपको जब कोई चीज चाहिए होती है, आप ये नहीं देखते कि वो कहां का है, आप केवल ये देखते कि उसका रिजल्ट क्या है. Alright? Then why would the world care? Now I'm going to tell you something, और ये एग्जाम्पल बिल्कुल अपने गांठ बांध के अपने हृदय में रख लेना. ठीक है? Imagine I employ you. I give you a salary of 20,000. I expect that you will give me work worth 40,000. What will happen if you give me work worth 50,000? You will go, you will be promoted, you will rise. Alright? What happens if you give me work worth 39,900 rupees? You will You will? What will happen to her? She will go? Not down. She'll go out. Somebody else will come and do the job. That's it. It won't matter where you go. What will matter is what you learn. Alright? Now I have personally lived in 6 different countries. Alright? And I have observed this question very keenly. I'll tell you how it works for a typical class 10 student in London. अगर कोई class 10 student है लंदन में and he says मेरे को जी सिविल इंजीनियर बनना है. Alright? What does he do? He works really hard कि मेरा ऑक्सफोर्ड या कैम्ब्रिज में सिलेक्शन हो जाए. नहीं हुआ चलो सिटी कॉलेज इंपीरियल में हो जाए. नहीं हुआ चलो लीड्स में हो जाए, लैंकास्टर में हो जाए. नहीं हुआ चलो कॉवेंट्री में हो जाए. But even when that guy goes to Coventry, he works really hard. When he comes out, somebody asks him to do a drawing, he does it, and that's it, he rises. How does it happen in India? IIT जाएंगे, 5वीं क्लास से तैयारी करते हैं. 10,000 people get into IIT every year. Of those 10,000 people, out of those 10,000 people, how many people actually end up becoming engineers? Not even 3,000. You reach IIT first day, पहले दिन आपने कदम रखा IIT में, alright, what do you realize? मुझे तो इंजीनियर बनना ही नहीं है, मुझे तो मैनेजर बनना है, मुझे तो ब्यूरोक्रेट बनना है. अरे मेरे भाई, तो पिछले 10 साल से जो दिन रात पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, मेहनत कर रहे हो, स्पोर्ट्स नहीं कर रहे हो, सोशल लाइफ नहीं कर रहे हो, रिश्तेदार नातेदार सब छोड़ रख के क्यों छोड़ दिए थे अगर इंजीनियर बनना ही नहीं था? Do you see the oddity? And then I'll tell you a very sad part. The sad part is जो 100 बच्चे इम्तिहान लिखते हैं IIT का, उसमें सेलेक्ट 2 ही होते हैं. The remaining 98% are depressed for the rest of their lives because they could not reach IIT only to realize that they don't want to be engineers. ऐसा नहीं कि IIT पहुंच के इंजीनियर बन जाएंगे. They would just realize they don't want to be engineers. But ये realization उनको IIT में नहीं हुआ, इसलिए they are depressed for the rest of their lives. How stupid is that? What's going on? Alright? So, the second lesson, coming back to the second lesson is that it doesn't matter where you go. What matters is what you learn. Alright? Both to nahi aa rahe? Good. Alright. So, success, usually in your world, success is equal to top marks plus top college. Alright? But in reality, success is equal to planning and preparation. Alright? Planning is which bus you will catch, and preparation is what will you do when you are on the bus, so that when you get down, you are ready for the real world. Alright? Good. Now let me come to the third message. Again, raise your hand immediately if you have never heard this. बेटा 10th पे फोकस कर लो, फिर सोच लेना लाइफ में क्या करना है. कोई ऐसा है जिसने कभी नहीं सुना? Everybody has heard it. Alright? Now, आपका जब 10th हो जाएगा, फिर आप लोग 11th में आओगे, तब आपके पेरेंट्स क्या बोलेंगे? बेटा 12th पे फोकस कर लेना, फिर सोच लेना लाइफ में क्या करना है. फिर बोलेंगे बेटा ग्रेजुएशन कर लो, इंजीनियरिंग कर लो, फिर सोच लेना लाइफ में क्या करना है. फिर क्या बोलेंगे? बेटा जॉब कर लो, फिर सोच लेना लाइफ में क्या करना है. फिर क्या बोलेंगे? बेटा शादी कर लो, फिर सोच लेना लाइफ में क्या करना है. फिर बोलेंगे बेटा बच्चे कर लो, फिर सोच लेना लाइफ में क्या करना है. और फिर क्या होगा? आपके बच्चे बड़े हो जाएंगे और आप बच्चों को बोलोगे बेटा 10th कर लो, फिर सोच लेना लाइफ में क्या करना है. Do you think this is right? What is the right time to think about a career? Right now. It is not 1 minute from now. It is right now. What is the difference between Suresh, Mahesh and Karthik? इन्होंने नहीं सोचा 10th में कि लाइफ में क्या करना है, ठीक है. 12th में भी नहीं सोचा, बस नंबर के पीछे पड़े रहे, ठीक है. ग्रेजुएशन में पहुंच के भी नहीं सोचा कि क्या करना है, थोड़ी बहुत अकल आई, उसके बाद में सोचा, हल्का हल्का सोचा कि क्या करना है, एंड एंडेड अप हियर. सेम विद महेश. Unlike Karthik, Mahesh was not so intelligent, so neither did he get good marks, nor did he go to a good college, but he never thought about his career. The only thing which Karthik did was to think about his career, and that is what sets him apart. So despite of getting less marks, despite of going to average colleges, he ends up relatively successful. only because he's continuously thinking मुझे कहां जाना है और उसके लिए क्या तैयारी करनी है. Choice is up to you. You can think after 10th board exams, you can think after 12th board exams, you can think after engineering, you can think after job, you can think after kids, whatever. Up to you. The sooner you think, the more time and energy you have to prepare. The later you think, there are Karthik sitting in this room who will maro the baji. Alright? I can write on a stamp paper and give it to you in case you require a proof that of the 100 people successful in India, not even 20 are from pedigree colleges. Not even 20. There are 80 Karthiks in real life and hardly 20 Sureshes and Maheshes who do big in life. Alright? That's the reality. Unfortunately, since you are living in a closed ecosystem, maybe nobody has come and told you that. But I am here telling you that from real life. Up to you whether you want to take it or not. Alright? Okay, so I told you 3 messages. The first message was, grades will not matter. What will matter is which bus you catch. Yeah? Second message was, where you go will not matter. What will matter is what you learn. The third message was, the right time to think about a career is right now, this moment. Right? Good. Let's talk about your career now. Alright? Please. Okay? What do you want to do in life? You want to become a chartered accountant. Alright? Now I'm going to ask her a question. Alright? And I want all of you to think about that question. Okay? Alright? So, tell me something about chartered accountancy. Not about why you like chartered accountancy. Tell me something about chartered accountancy, what it is.
So, chartered accountant holds the account and makes all the balance sheet on the social, not social, economic aspect.
And? Okay, good. Sit. So, I throw an open challenge. Can anybody in this class stand up and tell me 5 lines, only 5 lines, about whatever they have thought they will do for the rest of their lives? You will be a chartered accountant for the rest of your life. Even after you are dead, people will say, she was a very good chartered accountant. Alright? So this is something which you will do for the rest of your life. I want you to say 5 lines about it. Can anybody say 5 lines? Please try. Don't be shy. No one? You can't even say 5 lines about what you will do for the rest of your own life. Alright, let me ask you another question. Okay? Let me ask you another question. Alright? And I want you to raise your hand immediately. Alright, not think and then raise. Okay, this is a much more difficult question. So think, listen to it carefully. Is there anyone in this class who cannot, I repeat, who cannot tell 5 lines about Shah Rukh Khan? Too late. Alright, so everybody can say 5 lines about Shah Rukh Khan, but you cannot say 5 lines about what you will do for the rest of your career, for the rest of your life. Tell me one thing, guys. If, let's assume for a moment, you cannot say 5 lines about Shah Rukh Khan, does Shah Rukh Khan lose anything? Do you lose anything? No. If you cannot say 5 lines about what you yourself will do for the rest of your own life, does Shah Rukh Khan lose anything? Do you lose anything? Right. Now this is my gripe with the whole Indian education system, and that's why I quit my job and started this venture called LifePage. I don't understand what we are educating our kids. अगर आप पूरे जीवन जो करोगे उसके बारे में 5 लाइन भी नहीं बोल सकते, तो हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, कैलकुलस, मैथमेटिक्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, उसका अचार डालोगे. This is the only thing you need to know. If you just know this and you don't know anything, chances are you will succeed and survive. If you don't know this and you know everything, chances are that you will be just running without any idea of where you are running and why. Alright? So that's the problem. But why are we here? I'm not pointing fingers at you. Alright? So don't think कि मैं आपको यहाँ पे कटघरे में खड़ा करने के लिए आया हूँ. I'm here to help. Alright? You can't say 5 lines. It's okay. Alright? I have a system which would allow you to speak 25 lines. I guarantee it, anybody who uses the system, alright, for only 10 days regularly will be able to speak 25 lines about whatever they choose to do. Do you think it makes sense to speak 25 lines about whatever you want to do for the rest of your own life? Would you guys want to see such a system which can allow you to do this? Alright? And believe me, this is much more important than understanding कि कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा. वो नहीं भी जानोगे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, ठीक है, लेकिन 25 लाइन नहीं बोल पाओगे अपने खुद के करियर के बारे में तो बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा. Alright? Let me tell you the basic philosophy of Life Page. Any career decision has two parts. Okay. One question is, how do I become a chartered accountant? One question is, in a world where I can become a photographer, I can become a financial analyst, I can become a dancer, an actor, a cricketer, why should I become a chartered accountant? What do you think is more important, how or the why? Why? But our whole Indian ecosystem, be it your parents, be it your teachers, be it the career counselors, be it anyone, all they talk about is the how. But how बहुत simple है. Just go to Google and say, how do I become a chartered accountant? You would have 1 lakh websites. Go to Google and say, why should I become a chartered accountant? You will not even find one. Alright? We help you with the why. All I want to do is to tell you, enable you to speak 25 lines about whatever you choose. Once you can speak 25 lines about whatever you choose, then you go to Google and say, how do I become a chartered accountant? But पहले 25 लाइन तो बोलो उस चीज के बारे में. अगर जानते ही नहीं तो just like सुरेश और महेश, इंजीनियर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है. अरे कौन सा इंजीनियर बनना है वो नहीं पता, लेकिन इंजीनियर बनना है. उसके बाद एमबीए करना है, एमबीए करना है, एमबीए करना है, और उसके बाद क्या करना है वो नहीं पता, लेकिन करना है. Alright? So the choice is up to you. You can keep running for the rest of your life, or you can stop, think, figure out which bus to catch, and then run after that bus. Okay, good. So just allow me 1 minute to set up the projector and all, and I'll show you the demo of what we are doing. Right? So please don't make too much noise. Just bear with us.
My name is Nivedita Kukreti Kumar. Welcome to my life page. Today I will be speaking to you about Indian Police Service.
Hello, my name is Atul Pundi and I am a criminal lawyer practicing law at the Dehradun District Court.
My name is Jo Chopra and welcome to my life page. Today I'm going to talk about social entrepreneurship.
Hi, I'm Captain Annie Divya. Welcome to my life page. Today we'll be talking about commercial flying.
Hello, my name is Marcus Evans and welcome to my life page. Today I shall talk about agile product management.
Hello, my name is Avantika. Welcome to my life page. Today I will talk about being an intensivist.
Hello everyone, I am Harshit Gupta. Welcome to my life page. Today I'll be talking about internal audit.
My name is Kapil Rawat. Welcome to my life page. Today I'm going to talk to you about decision management.
Hello, my name is Dhairya. Welcome to my life page. Today I'll be talking about entrepreneurship.
Hi, I'm Sanil Sacha and welcome to my life page. Today we're going to talk about book writing.
Hello, my name is Viguraj Singh Patania and welcome to my life page. Today I shall talk about playing cricket.
My name is Narendra Jha. Welcome to my life page. Today I will talk about acting.
Alright, so first thing is, you just saw a demo on life page. in case you have forgotten some parts of the demo, or you were sleeping, or you were busy talking, or you want to show it to your parents, what can you do? You can go to our website, which is lifepage.in. Alright, there you can see the demo again. Okay, by the way, on lifepage.in, I have also put 2 movies I have created. That's a 1-minute summary of everything we have discussed. So do have a look at that as well. Alright, also on lifepage.in, I am right now writing a book about all the things which we have been talking. First chapter is called Do Grades Matter? Alright, which we have already talked about. The second chapter is called Pedigree. Does it matter? The third chapter is called The Right Time to Think About a Career Is Now. Can you guess what's the name of the fourth chapter? The fourth chapter is What is Love? Alright, and it talks about my love story when I was in school, your age. Alright, so please do, if you have time, go to the website, have a look at those chapters. I just put it out for free. Just go out, have a look, and in case you like or dislike it, if you have any comments on the book as well, then you let us know. Alright, now that's about the demo and everything. Now, if you want to use LifePage, what's the first thing you will do? You will install it. It's an Android app. You will need to install it on a phone. When you open it, when you open LifePage on your phone, what will you see? You will see videos. Alright? So, a law video has been created by a lawyer. A medicine video has been created by an engineering video is created by and a police video is created by a police officer. An IAS video is created by a real IAS officer. Alright? So, I'm not saying you listen to me about what is IAS because I don't know anything. Listen to the person who is an IAS. He or she will tell you what is IAS. Alright? That's the big strength of LifePage. Alright? As of date, as of right now, what is the date today? As of 4th of May 2017, we have 142 videos live covering more than 100 professions. We have videos on acting, cricket, entertainment, engineering, medicine, bureaucracy, IAS, IES, IFS, what you say. Being a pilot, being an army officer, anything. Alright. So when you open the app, you will have a list of videos. Alright. You see whichever video you like the most. You see the video. If you like a video, what you can do? You can do a self-assessment. Alright. And this is the first time, ये पहली बार होगा जब आपको नंबर मिल नहीं रहे होंगे, आप दे रहे होंगे. अच्छा ये होता है, ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगा. 2 मार्क्स, ये बहुत अच्छा है, इसको 10 नंबर. Alright. आपको नंबर देने हैं. आप नंबर दोगे कि आपको ये चीज कितनी पसंद है. ठीक है, फिर आपको एक स्कोर मिलेगा which we call the dream index. ठीक है, once you get the dream index, because you are doing all this on your phone, you have the option of sharing it. Alright, we would strongly recommend that you should share it. अब जैसे आप हो, आपने किया, मान लीजिए आपने चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी का भी वीडियो है उसमें, आपने सीए का वीडियो किया, आपने असेसमेंट निकाला, आपका असेसमेंट आया 72. Now you can share this score, alright, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you are. The advantage of doing that is all your friends get to know कि आपने चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी का वीडियो किया. Now they will come and discuss with you. आपको क्या समझ में आया सीए क्या है? Just like you guys discuss about कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा और शाहरुख खान का फिगर इतना अच्छा कैसे हो गया या आमिर खान इतना मोटा पतला कैसे हो गया. We should talk about careers because that is the thing which is going to actually matter. So you should share your result. ठीक है, तो आपने पहले दिन ये किया, you saw a video, did an assessment, shared a result. Second then again, saw a video, did an assessment, shared a result. After 10 days, how many items will you have on your dream index report? 10. Then after 10 days, I ask you, what do you want to do? Will you be able to say? Will you be able to say 25 lines about it? Alright. So, with LifePage, you can speak 25 lines about what you want to do. Without LifePage, you just keep running. Alright. With LifePage, you will understand the why, which is much more important. Otherwise, you will just know the how. IIT जाना, अरे क्यों जाना है? Right? With LifePage, you are on the path to Karthik. Without LifePage, right? With LifePage, if you have to go to Delhi, the bus you are catching is for. Otherwise, you are catching the bus too. Right? Just 1 or 2 more things. If you get stuck anywhere when you are using LifePage और आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा, असेसमेंट कैसे करना है, वीडियो नहीं चल रहा, कुछ लोड नहीं हो रहा, या फिर उसमें वो वीडियो नहीं है जो आप देखना चाहते हो, what can you do? You can call us, text us, WhatsApp us. We are always available on these 3 numbers. Alright? Wherever you get stuck, just call us. Alright? In case you forget this summary slide, you can always go to lifepage.in. The first thing you will see on lifepage.in is this slide. Please get up. I'm so sorry. Please get up. What did you think of LifePage and the whole thing? What did you learn today? Correct. Very good. Sit. Another thing I want to tell you about LifePage is that it is completely free at the moment. Later on, there will be a charging model. So the idea is that when you do assessments, the first 3 assessments will be free. Later on, you will be charged very little, 100 rupees per assessment. But right now, it's completely free. Alright. So when you join LifePage, when you activate your account, you will get 300 rupees in your account. When you do the first 3 assessments, it comes down to 0. When you do the 4th assessment, it will go down to -100. Alright? But it will not stop. Okay? One fine day we may ask you for the money, and if you don't want to pay, just close this account and open with a new phone number. Alright? So, it's a completely free system. Alright? This system has been designed and developed for you guys. The things which I have told you are things which nobody will tell you. Do you agree or disagree? These things are going to help you only. Alright? हमारे career का जो होना था, हमारी life में जो होना था, वो हो चुका. Now it's your turn. Good. So with that we end the session. Thank you.